Hey you guys, what's up sisters, what up rebels? So this video is a haul video. So this haul is going to be on Fashion Nova. I'm gonna have a few pieces that I bought from Fashion Nova, and it's also gonna be a few pieces that I also got from, where did I get these pieces from? So it's also some pieces that I got from, how do I pronounce her name? Tabria or Tabria. She's a Instagram model slash regular model slash fantastic superwoman of a model. But I'm gonna post a picture right here. She did a line with Fashion to Go. And these are going to be, I'm going to try on her swimsuits. Her swimsuits were on the pricier side, so I'm going to try to incorporate pricing in all the outfits that I bought so y'all can kind of see. So I loved all her swimsuits. Also, in another haul you'll see I got some swimsuits from Pretty Little Thing, so check out that haul in a few days. And I did not like that swimsuit from the Pretty Little Thing, but I loved the swimsuits from the Fashion to Figure line with Tabria. So yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get started into this haul. So this is one of my favorite shirts that I purchased from the Fashion Nova haul. This one, I like the fact that it is like a regular shirt that you can wear with some jeans and some heels, or just with some sneakers. It's real cute. I like the little string at the top, at the bottom that you could tie. It's really adorable. Yeah, I love this shirt. This is one of my favorite outfits. Like, don't mind the shapewear that I'm wearing under it. I usually wear my shapewears if I'm doing any type of haul, so I can see what everything will look like with the shapewears, without. But it has like an angelic feel to it, and it's real playful and cute. So I kind of like that about it. It fit me good, like, ooh, and I love the little bows on the side that you could tie. I can't wait to wear it. Like, it's going to look bomb.com. So yeah, I can't wait. And it even made me like I have a little booty back there. You can see a little booty back there. So I got a twofer for y'all. This is the Forever Reckless half shirt. So as you can see at the bottom, in the back, it has like a little opening, which I don't mind. Ooh, look at that roll that's hanging out there. But yeah, I love the cool little design in the back. Like I said, you see the roll, so most likely your roll is going to be showing if you got any rolls. The leather pants are also cute, but they were too big. I got them in my regular size of a 2X, but I could have went a 1X or even smaller. Because if you're not hippie, I'm not hippie or with a big donk. So with me wearing this, it was so big that I have to return it. Like, it's sticky too, like it sticks to you immediately. But even though it stick to me, it was still too big. Like, it looked baggy on me, even though it's supposed to be high-waisted leather skinny jean, whatever. Yeah, so the leather pants is a no. I'm gonna get them in a smaller size though, but the top is definitely a yes. So honestly, with this shirt, I hated it. I feel like a grandma in this shirt. I wish it would have fit because it was a different type of shirt. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was something that I don't have in my closet that I would have loved to wear, but it was just too tight. Like, it wasn't flattering on me. It was tight, and it just fit big. So yeah, that is definitely going back. So I like this maxi dress. It just gives me the old feel of like my mom waking up on a Sunday and I could smell a fish fry. My mama frying fish. And her wearing her big muumuu. Like, this is what this dress reminded me of. And I love the color, and I love how comfortable it is. And since it got pockets, it got pockets. Like, like pockets. I love any dress that got pockets. I don't know what it is about pockets and dress. But I'm not gonna keep it. I'm gonna give it to my mom because I know she's gonna love it. She can wear it around the house. And it's like an easy throw on. It's really soft and comfortable. But yeah, I love this dress. So this baby girl shirt is not returnable, but it was a bit tight. Not so much in the stomach area, but more so in the breast area. It's like my breast took up the whole shirt. Like, I'm gonna insert a picture of the model here. The model wears it tight too, but it's just like, damn. I didn't think I was gonna feel like I'm Hulk in this shirt. Yeah, it's a no. But I like the baby girl. I know I'm gonna make it work though. So the first swimsuit is this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful swimsuit from, like I said, the collection. It is yellow. I don't normally do yellow swimsuits, but I actually like this swimsuit a lot. I like how the top is adjustable. I didn't adjust this, so it looks a bit, you know, I took the padding out, so you'll be able to see the padding that you could take it off. I don't need padding. I already got breasts as it is. I don't need it. It is a high-waisted swimsuit. Yeah, I loved it. I feel like if I go up a size for the top, it would have been better, but it's doable since it does have a strap that I can pull up to adjust it. My all-time favorite swimsuit, sis, is this cute one piece. It's kind of like a monokini, but your back is out, so if you feel uncomfortable and you are not really big on your body showing, I would not suggest this, because you have your stomach out, you can also have your back out. It does make my breasts sit up. The girls are sitting, but like I said, it's going to show some rolls in the back if you are uncomfortable showing your rolls. Personally, I don't care about showing my roll. My man loves one of my favorite rolls, so it is what it is. But yeah, I loved it. That is it for the Fashion Nova and the swimsuit haul. Tell me, y'all, what was y'all favorite? Are y'all ready to go and be done with this damn coronavirus? Like, literally, my apartment has implemented a new rule that we can't have guests over at our swim pool. I said our swim pool. Really, we can't have guests at the pool, so it's just like I got these cute swimsuits for what? I guess just to go to Florida this weekend. So yeah, well, bye you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.